Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing? If you've been searching the internet everywhere on the internet and you've been searching for an easy way to create collections on your Shopify website, you don't have to look anymore, darlings. I got you. Let's get popping. So you've got your Shopify website open or you have your app open, and I would like for you to click on products. Now, where I'm working on a desktop for demonstration purposes, and also for demonstration purposes, I am using products that are for my industry, and I sell jewelry. So, but the process is the same no matter what you have, okay? So let's go ahead and click on our menu. If we're on our desktop, we'll go to product. If you're on a mobile device, it is at the bottom. You'll see home, orders, products, and store. Click on products. Okay, so once you're in products, you'll be able to click on collections. Click on collections. Okay, now the reason why we're going to create collections is because this is where you see how the process just falls right into place and makes it awesome for you once your website is set up. So remember when we set up all our products? Well, we were added tags. And remember I stated that the tags are for people, are searchable words, keywords, for people that are searching for products on your website, okay? So as you add a product and you add the product type, the product color, because that should always be like a no-brainer. It's kind of what you should do for each one. Excuse me. As you add those tags, you want them to be able to go into rooms, or what this does to me is help you once you set up your menu. Or if a customer is looking for a specific item, they can come to the collection because you've created the tag, and now we need to create the collection. So let's get started. Let's get popping. Let's get busy. So you go ahead. Let's go all the way over to the right. You'll see a blue box that says create collection. Okay. Now, if you're on a mobile device, you'll have a plus sign. Once you click create collection, a new window will open up. I'm sorry, not another window, but this box will open up. Sorry. Let me go ahead and pull the screen down some for you so that you can see it better. I apologize. Okay, so once that opens up, you'll see the new your Create Collection page, and you'll be able to edit it. Now, the first thing that we're going to edit is Create Collection title. Okay, we need to change the title. So the title of this one for demonstration purposes. Now I've got a lot of earrings, and I don't want my customers to have to go through every pair of earrings just to look for a specific color that they're looking for. So the name of this collection will be Pink Earrings. Okay. Now the description, I put this as my particular description. What you want to put is entirely up to you. Now, as I said earlier, whenever you're doing the description here within Shopify, it depends on your computer, I believe, and you may not be able to right click and paste it, but you can always Control V. Okay, Control V will paste your items into that section. Now, once you've gotten the description, you've given it a title, scroll down and you'll get to collection type. Now, the main thing that we always want to make everything we're doing as easy and as simple, and to make it flow as easy as possible for us, because we've got a lot of things to do and we don't have a lot of time. So let's go ahead and automate this system. It's already by default checked, or the radio button is highlighted. If you don't want it and you have items that may be in a collection that you want to manually enter, all you do is click the manual radio button and it automatically changes up. And you don't need the particular information that is entered. But as I said, this demonstration, we're automating this, okay? So now, we're going to automate this, and it does say products must match. We have to add a condition. The condition is, what do we want it to do? What do we want in this collection? And we need to tell it how. We need to tell it what we want and where to get it from, okay? So the first thing we have, as you can see, is product type. For me, that is by default. I like product tag. But as we scroll down, it can be done by title, type, vendor, price, tag, compare at price, weight, inventory stock, or variant title. We're going to do product tag. And the product tag will be equal to, as I stated, we set up tags in the earlier video we added products when we created products. So for this, we're going to go is equal to, and then once we click in this box, you may not have this menu to come down, but as you add your tags, they will be there. Now, as I stated, this particular collection is pink earrings, and I suggest that you use no more than 3 conditions per collection. So the first thing is I want everyone that's looking for something pink. I want them to come here. So first tag will be pink, okay? Everything that has a tag of the pink will now come into this collection. But I want earrings, so I need to add another condition. So as you see here, add another condition, click on that, product tag is equal to, and for me, I'm going to put earrings, but you would put whatever it is that you need it to be in that collection. And we have the tag of earrings. Once we do that, we have now created our collection by adding the title, the name of our collection, which will also be a menu item. We have added the description. We have automated this process, so we no longer have to put products in here manually. We have to do a double process. No more. So it automatically goes in here. And then what goes in here is pink earrings. So I've got that set up well. I'm going to go ahead and save this collection. And I want you to see what happens. This is where you're like, oh, my tags did it, my tags, and this did it. So sometimes, as you see, it takes a moment. But you will see all of those products that you have tagged as pink and earrings to now show up, or they will show up in this collection. If you have any comments or any additional questions after this video, please just say so and reach out to me in the comments below. I would love to answer them personally, and I thank each and everyone for coming by and listening and seeing my tutorial. So if you don't want to miss any more tutorials that are coming up, because they're coming, darling, just go ahead and subscribe to my page and you won't miss anything that's coming your way. I thank you all for coming in and checking out what I have to say, and you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.